Namaste. Today, I want to guide you through a powerful 10-minute Hooponopono meditation to gently clear the subconscious beliefs that block the natural flow of abundance in your life. Many times, our struggles with money are not because opportunities are missing, but because old memories of fear, guilt, lack, struggle, hurt are all stored inside our subconscious mind. The beautiful thing about the ancient healing practice of Hooponopono is it does not ask us to force change. Instead, it invites us to clean these memories with love, peace, surrender, and forgiveness. Let's find a quiet place. Close your eyes. Try to sit comfortably. For the next few moments, just allow yourself to relax. Take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel the relaxation in your mind and body. Continue to keep your focus and attention on your breathing. Notice the breath that you're taking in and the breath that is leaving your body. Remind yourself, in this moment, you are safe. You are being supported by a loving universe that always wants the best for you. Today, we are simply allowing the old energies of lack and fear around money to dissolve. And we seek guidance from the universe so that this intention is offered at the lotus feet of the divine, helping us open ourselves up to the blessings around money that God and the universe have chosen for us. Let's take another deep breath now. Acknowledge how money or your finances currently make you feel. It is possible that memories of the past, including some incidents, currently come to your mind. Maybe all that you've been through because of the lack of money. Just acknowledge everything that comes up. Thoughts, feelings, specific incidents. Maybe you have believed that it is difficult to make money. Perhaps you have felt unlucky enough, and you're holding the thought that abundance is not meant for you. Just notice everything that comes up. Accept it. Acknowledge it. And now, let's get ready to take it up with our subconscious mind, this little child within us that is holding on to these memories without knowledge of how seriously damaging they are for us. Place both your palms on your chest as you acknowledge everything that you've been feeling. Repeat with me the following words. I am sorry. Please forgive me, my family, my parents, relatives, ancestors, for whatever is in us that may have created this. The feeling of lack, the feeling of not being good enough, not being fortunate enough. Whatever is going on within us, today I take responsibility for it. Thank you for always being there for me. Thank you for choosing to clean with me. I love you wholeheartedly for everything. Feel the presence of your subconscious mind, your inner child, as you say these words. Rub your chest gently as you repeat with me, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. As we repeat these words, we are acknowledging that we may have judged money. Perhaps we may have not valued money enough in the past. Maybe we have believed that money itself causes stress or problems. Maybe we are guilty about earning more, or maybe we are holding on to fear about losing money. Today we are acknowledging all of it and requesting our inner child to join us in this cleaning. Let's take a deep breath in now. Exhale slowly through your mouth and relax. It's time to release control. It's time to release worry about money. Allow yourself to surrender now to the higher force, the divine power within you. Repeat softly with me, Dear God, I surrender my worries about money. I surrender my fears about the future. I surrender my need to control every outcome. You know, God, what is best for me and my life. Please bless me so I may clean up whatever it is that is obstructing the flow of your blessings in my life. Thank you, dear God, for clearing the memories of lack. Thank you for healing my relationship with money. Feel the shift in your energy as you say these words. Every time you acknowledge the divine power and energy within you, you help your subconscious mind release those memories. You help your inner child offer these memories to this power so that the divine within us can neutralize these memories, purify them, and make space for our highest good to come into our lives. Let's take another deep breath. Repeat with me, I trust life is guiding me. I trust the right opportunities will appear at the right time. I trust that I'm always supported by God. Once again, think of yourself like a little child and repeat with me the words, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. With each repetition, remind yourself your subconscious programming is beginning to dissolve. Memories of struggle are beginning to fade. Your natural state of peace and trust are beginning to return. Every time you feel the pressure or stress around money, start to repeat, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And end your practice by simply offering your feelings to the divine. Praying to the divine to help you release and clean up whatever is stopping you from experiencing God's love and blessings. Once again, think of your inner child and say, thank you for clearing these memories around money. I love you for restoring peace within my heart. Keep a smile on your face, trusting that cleaning is happening even when you cannot see it. Life has a beautiful way of guiding us when we stop resisting and start trusting. Take a final deep breath now. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out slowly. Relax. One more time before we open our eyes. Gently rub your chest and repeat with me. Thank you. I love you wholeheartedly for everything. I'm slowly going to count from 1 to 3 now. At the count of 3, you will slowly open your eyes. 1. Feeling love for your inner child. 2. Reminding yourself you belong to God and God is going to take care of everything. 3. Keep a smile on your face. Rub your palms against each other. Place them on your eyes. And now you may slowly open your eyes. Remember, abundance always finds a way to reach us when our heart is clear, grateful, and surrendered. Here's wishing you all the very best. Namaste. God bless.